So this video is sponsored by Yolissa Hair. They sent me a 20-inch waterway wig, and it also came with wig caps, a headband, a bag to put the wig in, lashes, and yeah. So I went ahead and I bleached the knots off camera, and I also did pluck it just a tiny bit, but it already came pre-plucked, so you don't have to do that. I added makeup to the lace, but you also don't have to do that either. So I'm using this new Kiss lace glue. It's supposed to be waterproof, and I really didn't like it. I used 2 layers, and maybe I should just used one because it got really sticky and messy. And then I added my Narubi foam, and it started to lift, so I had to take the wig off, wash it, and then I reinstalled it using just the Bold Hold liquid gold. So y'all let me know in the comment section, do you like this glue? Should I give it another chance, or how should I use it? I don't know. But yeah, I'm going in with 2 layers of this. That little piece of hair that you see sectioned, I'm going to cut that off because I don't need it.
choose Persian love. Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's how these summer do. Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, babe, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel it, babe, can you feel me, babe? Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it.
Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. This is actually the next day. I only put in water. I sprayed my hair with water, and I've used a little bit of this Cantu curling cream. It's the new berry one. Don't come for me, I only use this for my wigs. I don't use this on my natural hair because Cantu is just very drying, but for my wigs it gets the job done. But yeah, this is how it looks. I kind of like the fluffy look, so if you want more of a defined wet look, I would suggest using more product, or even using like a mousse like this. But yes, I love this hair. This is a 20-inch water wave wig from Yolissa, so shout out to them for sending me this gorgeous wig. It's a 13x4, I believe. So usually I don't like 13x4s because like the part, I don't know, like the part be too short for me, but this one's nice. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram so you never miss like pictures or new styles that I do. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.